Everyone, in the previous video of WireShark, we have learned what is WireShark and its functionalities. Also, we have learned about how to capture packets in WireShark. Now, in this session of WireShark, we will understand the following terms. First of all, we will set up a LAN network and view devices inside the network through WireShark. Further, we will apply filters in Wireshark and see what are the protocols and devices in our network. Then we will capture TCP requests and understand them. Further, we will capture HTTP requests and also understand them and see some network sniffing techniques. Let's start. Like every time, we will open the Wireshark and remember to open it is run it in administrator mode, so that what this will give all the networks interfaces that are present in the network. Like in the previous video, first of all we will choose the interface network that is present. Now we will open the Google Chrome and start running a website. Now first of all we will understand how to set up a LAN network. I am going to open CMD also and tell you and run it as administrator, and then I will check here my IP address version 4. As you can all see, this is my IP address version 4.192.168.43.182. We have a XAMPP server over here, where we will first of all where we will start the XAMPP server and Apache. As we can see that it has been already started by me. It works on port number 80 and 443. Now what we will do, we will take a mobile network or any network through which we can create a hotspot and connect to that network over here. You can see that I have connected to my private network over here, Motex42644. And now what we will do, now this device will act as my host network, where my laptop will act as my host network, and I have my some friends here who has also connected the hotspot of my mobile network, which will act as their nodes. So in Wireshark, this we can see that there is a lot of data running through it. We have set up a server, and my device is now acting as host, and there are many node devices over here. So what we will do, first of all we will click on this protocol, and as you can see that all the same type of protocols are clubbed together. You can see in this video that there are many different protocols are coming: ARP, DNS, and we will talk about ARP protocol in the further part of network sniffing. Now first of all we will filter the data through Wireshark. As you all can see that there is a filter box over here which we can use as filter. So now what we will do, we will click this expression button over here. Actually some error occurred and it started again. We can see that this page is we can see this page. Now what we will do, we will apply these are the filters that fields name that are available, and we can use them to apply any filter. What we will do is now we will apply a filter of IP version 4 to check an address. So you can search over here to find IPv4 filter. This here we have found the IPv4 filter. So this is IPADDR, and then we will put up the relation inside it and its value. As you have all see that my IP address was 192.168.43.182. So now let's apply the filter and enter the value. You can click this. So as you all can see, we can now find where my this IP address 192.168.43 and 182 has network data passing through it. Either it can act as a source or act as a destination. We can show every packet transfer. Fine. We can also filter the data and check that in which sources my this IP address is acting as a source in these places. So we can put the filter ip.src0. You can see that over here. We will go back to expression. As you can all see that there are many field names that are provided over here. You can make any type of filter you want and save them according to you. These are the relations that you can put in their values. Once you have applied a filter, the value given will be showed and all the other values will be omitted. As you remove the filter, all the values will be gone and you will get every value. You can also to see those IP address, to see those the packet data transfer where my IP has not been there. We can apply the filter as not bracket IP dot addr equals to 192.168.43.182. Now we will apply the filter, and as you can see the results that there are 1546 entities where my IP address is not present and some other IP address there displayed 28 results. 1.8% results are present. Now what we will do, we will understand, we will filter the TCP request and understand them. As we have seen how to apply filters, now I want to tell you all one thing. You can go to this statistic sections and see what are the conversations that have been done